Look at her eye. Whoa. What is that? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. In today's video, we're going to be doing If You Laugh, You Lose. So guess what? Do not laugh. I'm going to have 3 lives for 3 chances if I laugh in today's video. And if I lose, that's going to be very sad. Let's do this. All right, we cannot laugh. None of these clips should be funny, hopefully. But what in the world am I looking at?
Is that an alien bug?
It's already happening, yo. Speaking of aliens, what in the world? I'm terrified. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, that right there is called the sharpest knife I've ever seen. No way it can slice it like that. What? Yeah, that thing has seen its days in battle. I spray K with the water thing. You're savage for this. Dude, you are savage for that. All right, we got the world, and he is holding Earth. Why does that look so weird, though? How's he doing that? Whoa, what is on her face?
What did I just watch?
All right, we got a snow... Dude just planned himself. All right, what's happening?
Timothy.
I got you.
That's not real.
And we upgraded to a chair.
Okay.
I'm about to get my boy right. Shit is nappy, bro.
What has he done? What has he done to my guy? T for Tim.
Process.
Oh, that ain't no T for Tim. Oh.
All right, man. That's the finished result. Get my boy Tim looking good. Look up for me, man. Look up. How you look? How you feel, bro?
I guess I feel alright.
All right.
What am I watching?
Man, stop playing. I don't wear no You ready to cut that
Tim keeping it real. Like and subscribe right now for amazing luck for the next week. All right, we got these. Whoa. Squirrels are geniuses nowadays? Dude, they ski better than me. That is awesome. Go, little squirrels, go! All right, we got ourselves the beast of a dog. Oh, jeez. Did they put it just right perfectly high enough so they can't grab it? They gotta help each other out. Stand on one's back. The brown dog hasn't jumped once. He's just like looking at it, hoping maybe it falls to him or something. Is that that's a frog? I mean, it's like a snapping turtle. Oh, now he's in the bowl with the meat. Just eat the bowl and the meat, bro. What's going on? We got ourselves a lawnmower.
Hey, what you doing my son car and shit though, fam? I ain't, man, boy.
He's squirt gunning the guy?
Boy.
What is happening?
Bust on his heads.
Dude just squirt gun someone. Oh my goodness. Now, this is a yoga class I would go hang out in. I'd probably have to take one home afterwards. Yeah, this right here is called Genius Tactic. Holy. Dogs really are just next level smart. Those humans couldn't even sit on or stand on this thing. This dog's just vibing on it. But how did you even teach him to do this? And we're jumping it. Oh my goodness. That right there is something called did not go to plan. Slingshot ride fail. Ooh, this is going to be gnarly. Oh, one of the bands just snapped. Holy. Basketball in the backyard. Oh, nice. Goodbye to the basketball. What's up, man? Whoa. Did he just... Am I seeing a Starbucks wizard? What? Oh, he just tripped and fell.
Oh my God. Grab my leg, man. Grab it, hold it tight.
What is happening?
I got vibritis, and sometimes my legs start shaking on its own.
Bro, this can't be real. All right, we're in the hallway. He jumps up, gives a little... Where are they going? Oh my. Run, dude, run. What is happening? Dinosaur Garden, exciting, authentic educational purposes here. Dinosaurs. Jurassic World is a whole new place on Earth. Beautiful, beautiful dinosaurs. For the boys. Whoa.
What the?
Wait a minute. What? Is this foot face? Looks like a dinosaur right now, but just wait. I have toes on my head. Alright, she got herself a Pepsi. Whoa. That is fancy. Okay. We're kickstarting. Broom, 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 broom. Give us some gas. Let's hear that. Oh! R.I.P. to the RV. Now that right there is probably the cutest little thing I've ever seen. And look at him. Wait. He eats the peel, not the actual... Wait a minute. I have so many questions. Why is he making the peel look kind of good, though? Okay. Who's driving? Hello? Who is driving? DoorDash delivery for... What does that say? Oh, it's in a different language. I thought I was going to read the name of the... How's it backing up? Alright, I have too many questions. What kind of bug is this? It's a bat? Well, I'm going to let you know right now. That bat blends in way too much. Sketch. We're on the bus.
Don't even have chat for me, just move. Shut up.
Bro, imagine being on the bus for this long and having to deal with someone complaining about having to do something. It says, London girl angry after to be told she's not allowed to vape on the train. Like, isn't that just common sense? Like, this can't be real right now. What do we have here? Is that a bird? That bird just swooped that. Driving through the gates. Don't hit the gate. I think Tesla just hit the gate. Oh, Tesla for sure hit the gate now. Well, and that right there is why you do not want a Tesla to auto drive. Or unless she did it herself. Massive fail. There's a fire in the lights.
Last night and my mother was on fire. I didn't even know if you left the light on for too long it could catch
Hey, at least you had a fire extinguisher to take care of the problem. Goodness, you had a fire extinguisher. No way they saying a targeted attack. Dude, what? That is messed up. Poor truck and van. All right, dude's going through the drive-thru, looking like he just broke out of prison.
She took off running, bro. She took off running.
It's just a prank.
Hey, excuse me. Can I use your phone real quick, bro?
It's just a prank, bro.
What
New
is
job.
the next big thing that's about to happen.
John cards.
Oh, it says you're about to get some sort of a job that is easy to do but challenges you just enough.
Nice.
Money.
Totally doable. We got ourselves some paint. It's crazy how the paint's there and he just lays it down. Like, how is that even possible? Looks pretty snazzy, though. All right, is that the shower curtain? It is.
This is some fresh grout.
Some fresh grout, my guy. Hairless cat.
Yeah.
That right there was your first problem.
All that up.
Getting a cat. And a hairless one. Like, what does that even feel like? All right, let's be honest. We know what it feels like. All right, we got ourselves a biker. He said, I can do the gritty on my bicycle. Absolute savage. All right, it looks like Toyota saw an advertisement and tried to do something next level. Well, sir, you've been bamboozled. All right. What a homie. He's like, go, go, go. It's free. It's free. It's free. Run it up. Run it up. Get out of here. Get out of here. Now, that guy right there is the real MVP. Ooh, that is not too good for that Charger.
Charger versus Bull.
Let's be honest. It's probably going to end up crashed anyways, but that's tough. Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada. Why is it so cold there? All right, what's happening? Jeez, what is that? What in the world just happened? Oh, no, that is satisfying. Oh, my. Dude, this makes me want to go get my car wrapped just to be able to watch the process. This is sick. What in the world are those things and why are they just chilling like that? If you don't have any questions, you got a problem because I have so many questions. All right, that right there just put me out of the mood. I gotta end the video now, you guys. If you enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe, press on more videos you see on the screen right now to watch more videos just like this one. And I'll see you over in those videos.